Hello again, it's the Galleries, and it's event day 2 for the horsey thing, and it's also my anniversary, 23 years. Okay, so Carissa is gonna open number 2 on the horsey calendar. Carissa, let's see, what kind of fence
This isn't a loaf, this is a roll.
It's a roll.
So door number
There's
two
a roll
is
next to the camera.
this baby horse. It's not a pony.
Okay, push it open.
You've all seen this roll before.
Hi Sam, you missed
It
us.
walks sometimes, as rolls do.
Oh,
Yep.
there's a
Oh, you got a
baby
horse.
horsey in there.
You actually got a horse.
I got the gray one,
Okay, show the audience.
and it has a movable head. Oh,
So she got the gray horse. Rah!
got my cuff stuck in
Rah!
day
Quick! Next! So that's the second one in the second event door.
one. I got my cuff stuck in day one.
Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye-bye! Happy holidays!